Namaste. Welcome back to my YouTube channel eEducator. Here in this video lecture we are going to discuss the subject social science standard 9. In this video we discuss about standard 9, okay, chapter number 14. Chapter 14 India location, geological structure and physiography part 2. Chapter number 14. 13 is already uploaded here. A few lessons of a lesson standard 9 is uploaded. Okay, no doubt. Within a short period of times, I'm going to upload the whatever the remaining videos of a standard 9. So here, let us discuss chapter number 14, India's location, geological structure and physiography part 2. And if you are new and if you have not subscribed the channel, click on subscribe button to subscribe my YouTube channel here. Okay, and share with your friend. And if you have any query, send me in a comment box. Let's start here. These exercise question answer. It is a textbook exercise only. Okay, here I have uploaded a textbook exercise only here. Okay, let's start the answers here. Number 1, write short answer for the following questions here. Write short answer for the following questions here. Which passes are located in Himalayan system? Which passes are located in Himalayan system? Passes, the way to cross a mountain, natural way which are formed in a mountain is considered the passes. So there are some high mountain passes like a Jalapla, okay, Jalapla, Nathula, Shipkila, and these are located in a greater Himalaya. So these are the passes which are located in a greater Himalaya. What is mean by regolith? So regolith, what is mean by the regolith? So regolith के बारे में लिखने यहाँ पर. Soil is a result of denudations of a rock. How soil is formed? Soil is formed because of denudations, because of erosion of a rock. Now, the rock surface is eroded due to factors like a temperature, rain, snow, air, vegetation and insect, and it turns into the powdery form. So these are the agent of denudations. Because of this reason, okay, rock is eroded here. The rock surface is eroded due to the factor, which are the factors of denudation, factors of erosion like temperatures, rain, okay, snow, air, vegetations, insect. This turns into them a powdery form. The rocks, okay, develops a cracks, transport into a small particle, again more small particles into the powdery form here. So thus is form the land layer slowly. Okay, a big rock transported into particles here, and there is a gravel. So in whatever the layers are formed from the large boulders, we found a gravels there, smaller stones are there, pebbles, soil particles are all mixed up here, and this is known as a regolith, and it contains only minerals. Okay, it contains only mineral contents here. So the layers which made out of a big rock, there's a layers of a gravel, smaller stone, pebbles, soil particles in the soil. Okay, it is considered the regolith. So after humus contain air and water which are added, and it form as a soil here. So regolith here. Third number, which are the major types of a rock? Which are they? Which are they major types of rocks, and which are they? Okay, so which are the major types of rock? Which are they? A composite matters made of one or more minerals is known as a rock. A matter which is formed out of one or more than one composition of a mineral is considered as a rock. Rock can be divided into 3 categories on the basis of their formations here. So on the basis of their formation, rocks are categorized into 3 categories here. Categorized into the 3 categories here. Okay, igneous rock, stratified rock, and metamorphic rock. Which igneous rock, stratified rocks, and third number is a metamorphic rock. These are the 3 types of rock on the base of formations here. Look at it. The question is which are they? Which are they? And we need to write the only names of the rock here. If they have mentioned write okay, explain a 3 or write a detailed information about the 3 types of rock. So again, more further we need to write the information about the 3 types of rocks also. State the soil formation process. How soil is formed here? Okay, soil formation as the thin layer form of organic and inorganic matter on the surface of earth is considered the soil. Okay, how it formed here. So soil is a result of a denudation of a rock. Because of a denudation, because of erosion of a rocks, soil is formed as same part which we discussed in a regolith here. This same line. Rock surface is eroded due to the factors like a temperature, rain, snow, air, vegetation, and insect, and turns into the powdery form. So this powdery form, and this okay, these layers contain a gravel, smaller stone, pebbles, soil particles, etc., which is known as a regolith here. So found in this layer here. Now the biotic matter, air and water mixed in it. So layer which is has a gravel, okay, sorry, gravel, smaller stone, pebbles, soil particles, and in that the biotic matters are added, air is added, water is added, mixed up in, and finally it forms a finally soil is. So the process of soil formation is a long-term process. So formation of a soil is a long-term process here. Okay, next question. Explain the following terms. The terms has been given here. Look at it. Bungar. What does mean of a bungar? All alluvium of floodplain is called as a bungar. Bungar and khadar. There are types of a soil. There are types of a alluvial soil. So all alluvium, all particles, all soil which was formed in the northern plain of India is considered as a bungar, is known as a bungar. All alluvium, all particles, deposition of a particle and the soil which is formed, older one, is a bungar here. So in short, soil containing all alluvium in the upper valley regions of river is considered the bungar soil. Depositions. So moving factors like earth, okay, moving factors of earth like a river, wind, rain, okay, they deposit the materials and the place bored by them and slow down the speed, and this is called the what is the depositions here? So what are the like a rivers, water of a river, wind, rain, they bring the particles, soil particles, many pebbles, they bring with them here. When the speed of a wind or speed of a water, okay, when it's slow down here, and the particle are deposited somewhere else here, the process is considered the depositions here. Okay, the particle which brought by the river, and when they keep the particle somewhere else places here, when the speed of a river or wind की जब speed कम हो जाती है तो particle इस जगह पर इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं, that process is considered the deposition. Third number is a rock. Okay, composite matter made out of one or more minerals is considered as a rock. Next number, fourth number is a mineral. So matter which is formed due to the natural, organic or inorganic process. So the matter which is formed due to the natural, organic or inorganic process having a specific chemical compositions, chemical composition होना चाहिए, that is considered as a mineral here. Soil, the thin layer formed, so here the thin layer form of organic and inorganic matter on the surface of earth is considered as a soil here. Number third, write to the point answers of the following questions. Where we need to write the detailed answer here. Archipelagos, the group of islands. The group of islands is known as Archipelagos of India here. So Andaman, Nicobar and Lakshadweep, these are the two major archipelagos of India. And there are many smaller islands in Lakshadweep. So in the Lakshadweep, we found a small islands. A number of islands are there, and these are located at some distance of a Kerala coast. Kerala से वो थोड़े दूर आए हुए हैं ये Lakshadweep island. And these islands have a shape of horseshoe and such corals island. So it is a coral islands, and the Lakshadweep island is a coral island. Horseshoe मतलब ये U टाइप के बने हुए हैं, वहाँ पर वो आइलैंड है, ये U शेप में बने हुए हैं. हॉर्स शूज, हॉर्स के नीचे जो स्टील का उसके लगाया जाता है उसके पैर के नीचे, उसको हॉर्स शूज बोला जाता है. वो जनरली ये U शेप का रहता है. तो ये जो लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड भी उस शेप के अंदर बने हुए हैं, अलग अलग जो आइलैंड है. सो ये शेप में जो कोरल रिफ का जो फॉर्मेशन होता है, और रिफ को एटोल कोरल रिफ बोला जाता है. सो दिस आइलैंड इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज एटोल्स. Andaman Nicobar Islands situated in the Bay of Bengal. Andaman Nicobar where is situated? They are situated in the Bay of Bengal, and Andaman Nicobar archipelagos located in the Bay of Bengal here. Okay. So there are a few mountain. ये दो एक ये पॉइंट लिखने की जरूरत नहीं, दोनों ये पॉइंट रिपीट हो रहा है. आइलैंड सिचुएटेड इन बे ऑफ बंगाल, निकोबार लोकेटेड इन बे ऑफ बंगाल. तो ये दूसरा लिखने की आपको जरूरत नहीं है कि ये पॉइंट दूसरी बार रिपीट हो गया है. अंडमान निकोबार, ये पॉइंट आपको लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. So there are few mountain ranges, some of which are found in due to the volcanic activity. Look at we in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, we found mountain ranges, and these mountain ranges are formed because of volcanic activities in this. And these islands are spread over 350 kilometer. Okay, it's spread over 350 kilometer and have a strategic importance for the country India. Okay. Not only active volcano in India, so the only active volcano in India is a barren. So in the barren island or barren active volcano in Andaman and Nicobar Archipelagos, and another dormant volcano is also found, Narakondam, which is near to the dormant volcano, near to the dormant volcano here. Narakondam, which is also near to it. The dormant volcanoes in Andaman and Nicobar. So one is a barren. In the barren island, we found the volcanoes. There is an active volcano of India, only one, and Narakondam, which is one of the dormant active volcano of India. State the types of soil of India and gives a detailed information here. So we need to write about the information about the soil, and we write them in detail here. So the thin layer formed of organic and inorganic matter of surface of earth is called as a soil, and soil of India is classified into 6 types. So classification of a soil, there are in the 6 types: alluvial soil, second black or regular soil, third number red soil, fourth laterite, fifth mountain soil, and sixth number desert soil. So as mentioned in textbook, we write information about a soil also. Alluvial soil. So alluvial soil can be divided into 2 parts, Khadar and Bangarye. So alluvial is divided into 2 parts, Khadar and Bangarye. So Khadar, the soil formed due to the fresh alluvial, okay, newly alluvial which are deposited by the rivers, and is known as a Khadar, and soil is formed due to the river floods, comparatively sandy, and is found mostly near to the river here, near to the bank area. We found this Khadar, newly soil which is developed on the bank of river, that is a Khadar. And Bangar is a older. So soil containing old alluvium and its upper valley regions of a river is called Bangar, and is sticky and has a dark color. Generally this soil is a fertile, and this Khadar soil is a less fertile. It's a newly developed. Bangar is a old one, पहले से बहुत सालों पहले डेवलप हो गई है. So but this fertility is determined on the different places. Fertility of this Bangar soil is also different from different place to place here. Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, these states are possessing this kind of a alluvial soil. Black soil. So black soil is a very sticky and fertile. It can contain humidity for prolonged long period of time. They can contain humidities. They have the capacity to absorb it has a capacity to hold the water for the long period of times, which black soil has a capacity to hold the water for the moistures for the longer period of time. So it's the gift of a peninsular plateaus, the place that soil is formed because of a plateau region, because of a peninsular plateau. Black soil is very useful for cotton cultivation. So it is famous as a black cotton soil here. So black soil is also used for good for the cultivation of a cotton here. So cotton का जो crop होता है वो अच्छी तरह से यहाँ पर प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं. So soil is useful for the cotton cultivation. So the other name is also known as a black cotton soil. So it is also known as a regular soil. So Maharashtra, Western Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, these are the almost South Indian state. We found this black soil. Black soil is formed out of igneous rock. Okay. Red soil. The soil is comparatively porous and fertile. So it's red color due to the ferrous and humus content. It has a why there is a ferrous oxide, iron oxide is here in this red soil. So because of ferrous oxide की वजह से ये color जो red soil होती है वो red color पे होती है, and more humus content इसमें होते हैं. This soil is found in region of igneous and metamorphic rock. So it's formed out of igneous and metamorphic rock. Goa, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, some parts of Jharkhand possess this type of a soil. Laterite soil. The soils developed as a result of excessive erosion by rain is called laterite soil. The soil develops as a result of excessive erosion by rain is called laterite soil. So the soil which developed because of a heavy erosion is considered as a laterite soil. Now, due to heavy rain, the humus content from the top of this top of soil descended to the lower strata. So because of a heavy erosion and because of heavy rain, the humus which contain upper layer of a surface, they are eroded. Even those were the humus was there, they were transferred into the lower strata. The humus content a transfer into lower strata, थोड़ा deep उसके अंदर चला जाता है और erosion की वजह से वहाँ ऊपर जो fertile soil होता है वो वहाँ से चला भी जाता है. And the soil contain less humus, so it's a less fertile. Karnataka, Kerala, Odisha, mountain regions of south and some regions of east possess this type of soil. Fifth number, mountain soil. So humus content is a more due to the forest because of forest area, branches of trees, leaves and insects की वजह से ज़्यादा होता है forest की वजह से humus content वहाँ पर ज़्यादा होता है. By soil, Shivalik range is less fertile and less developed. Generally, mountain soil is found in Himalayan region. The soil is sandy and porous and does not contain more humus in this part of a Shivalik one. Okay, less fertile. वो शिवालिक वाली है वहाँ पर humus content थोड़ा कम है. Such soil is found in the mountainous region of the countries. Most of mountainous area we found this mountainous soil. So eastern mountain range, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir possess this type of soil, mountain soil. Desert soil. This soil is found in the arid and semi-arid regions having more alkaline and less humus content here. So desert more alkaline, more salt are mixed up there and less humus content वहाँ पर ये type की soil में होता है. So sometimes agriculture has become possible only through irrigation with the irrigation we can have so with irrigation cultivations can be done, agricultures can be done here. Arid and semi-arid regions of Haryana, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab possess this type of desert soil. Classification of minerals, classify the minerals here. So minerals, classification of minerals. So our routine we are using 200 minerals directly or indirectly. So universal acceptance classification of minerals is not possible. However, as a general classification has been made here. Look at minerals are classified on the basis of as a metallic mineral, not metallic minerals and energy resources here. So metallic minerals more A, B, C and D. Look at precious metals, light metals, minerals of general use and minerals used as alloys. So एक दूसरों के mineral में mix करके उसका use कर पाए alloys के लिए. So like a precious metal, gold, silver, platinum, these are light metallic minerals. Magnesium, bauxite, titanium, these are light metallic. And minerals generally the commonly which are used iron, copper, lead, zinc, these are commonly used. Okay. And alloys जिसको हम दूसरे मिनरल के साथ मिक्स करके भी यूज करते हैं, chromium, manganese, tungsten, vanadium, these are the minerals used as alloys. Energy resource, coal, minerals, second number, non-metallic. So limestone, chalk, asbestos, mica, fluorspar, gypsum, sulfur, diamond, these are considered as non-metallic mineral. Energy resources, coal, mineral, oil and natural gas, uranium, thorium, these are the minerals which provide us energy here. So it is considered the energy resources for the human being. Now MCQ, here. Patka Hills, Arunachal Pradesh. Patka Hill, Arunachal Pradesh. So answers are here. Mizoram. And who from the following speaks an incorrect statement? We need to find an incorrect statement here. So it's already displayed here. 6. Dhruvi, tungsten, manganese and chromiums are non-metallic minerals. A non-metallic means these are the alloys minerals here. Okay. Join the correct match. Okay. Stratified rock. So stratified rock, example of a stratified rock. Okay. Sedimentary rock बोल सकते हो, stratified or sedimentary. So stratified limestone. Metamorphic rock is a marble here, and igneous rock is a granite here. So what is the correct answer? First, what is the correct answer here? First B, मैग्नीशियम मतलब दिस वन इज अ सी एंड ए, बी सी ए है, ए ऑप्शन इज अ करेक्ट. ओके, which of the following statement is a true? We need to identify the true statement here. So true statement here, Western Ghats have the more height in North India, North region. Okay, Western Ghats are called Nilgiri in Karnataka. Identify that. Okay, statement is true. Western Ghats are spread on north, south in unbroken from along with the Arabian Sea coast. Okay, so C is the correct one. Western Ghats are called the Sahyadri. Okay, so यहाँ पर आंसर आएगा C आंसर आएगा. चलो ये रहा. Okay, third A and fourth C. Which plateau is situated between Aravalli and Vindhya? Aravalli and Vindhyachal. Okay, which plateau? Vindhyachal. So Aravalli and Vindhya, Malwa plateau here. Okay, Chota Nagpur, Deccan, Shillong, Malwa plateau. Okay. First C, second C, third A, fourth C, and fifth B. These are the correct options of MCQ here. Okay, these are the answers of lesson number 14. And still, if you have any queries, you can send me the comment. And if you have not subscribed the channels, click on subscribe button. अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, बटन पर क्लिक कीजिए जो आपके चैनल पे वहाँ पर दिखा रहा है, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. जैसे भी आपको वीडियो अपलोड करूँगा तो आपको पता चलता रहेगा कि न्यू वीडियो आ रहा है. जल्दी से 9th के जितने भी चैप्टर के वीडियोस बाकी है वो सब वीडियोस आपको मिल जाएगी तुरंत. मैं ज़्यादा कोशिश करूँगा कि जल्द से जल्द आपको सब वीडियो मिल पाए. थैंक यू.